Welcome to the last video of this section, building an optical character recognizer using neural networks. In the previous video we looked at visualizing the characters in an optical character recognition. In this video we'll build a neural network-based optical character recognition system. Let's create a new Python file, ocr.py, and import these packages. Let's define the input file name. When we work with neural networks that deal with large amounts of data, it takes a lot of time to train. To demonstrate how to build this system, we only will take 20 data points, so here we have mentioned it. Now, if you look at the data, you will see there are 7 distinct characters in the first 20 lines. Let's define them. We now use 90% of the training data for training and the remaining 10% for testing. So, define the training and testing parameters. The starting and ending indices in each line of the dataset file. You can see here we have defined these parameters. Now create the dataset. Next, we add an error check to see whether the characters are in our list of labels. We go ahead and extract the label and append it to the main list. Now after this, we extract the character and append it to the main list. Exit the loop once we have enough data. Let's convert this data into numpy arrays. Next, extract the number of dimensions in our data. Now, let's train the neural network until 10,000 epochs. Finally, we predict the output for test results, so we are now ready to run the code and check the output. The full code is in the ocr.py file that's already provided to us. Once we run this code, we can see the epoch values printed on our terminal. This goes on until the epoch value 10,000 as specified by us. And as it reaches the maximum value of epoch, the output of the neural network is shown in the preceding lines. Excellent. So we now know how to build an optical character recognizer using neural networks. Let's recall what we did in this section. We started with building a perceptron, a single-layer neural network, and a deep neural network. We then dived into building a recurrent neural network, and then we visualized the characters in an optical character recognizer. In the next section, we'll learn visualizing data and look at various scenarios and discuss what visualizations we can use in various situations.